Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I got some Happy Mail that I want to share with you because it's so darn cute. So there was a couple of items in my Happy Mail, and my Happy Mail was sent by Millie Rivera. She is in a group called Made by You on Facebook, which you guys probably know by now that most of my swaps are done through this one Facebook group. So I'm going to have it linked in the description box in case you guys want to go check it out. So Millie earlier this year had a birthday challenge, and I joined her birthday challenge. It was a lot of fun. I did share that with you guys, when I sent it in. So she was just thanking me for joining her challenge, and I appreciate it so very much, Millie. I really do. Guys, let me show you. She sent me the cutest Christmas mug. Oh my gosh, she is adorable. She is so cute, guys, and she is big. Okay, so she's a big one. She a big one. So she is so adorable. I just love her, Millie. Thank you so much. And this is the back side. So cute. I rarely get Mrs. Claus items. It's always Santa Claus, but so I love her. I don't care that it's past Christmas. I'm probably going to use her anyway. So Millie, again, thank you so much. So Millie also sent a I think it's like an embellishment book. I have not opened it because I wanted to share it with you guys. So it's a file folder. It looks like maybe embellishment books. I'm not exactly sure. And on the back, she put this cute little gingerbread. It said made by Millie Rivera 1223. How cute! So adorable. And look, oh my gosh, that's such a pretty paper. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I just love these gingerbreads. I really do. So I opened it up right here to the first page, and she's got some tags in here for me. This is a beautiful collection, guys. I don't know what collection that is, but these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, they are pretty. Look at that. Beautiful tags. I just love them. So they came in this little pocket right here, and I just think they are so cute. I really do. I'm going to use them. I know I'm going to use them because they're so adorable. And then on this side, she's got a small corner pocket here, and she's got two more tags. Oh my gosh, Millie, this is such a cute paper collection. That is so pretty. And then in this back pocket, she's got a pocket right there. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. She's got another little, like a cut apart. It says Always Fresh Gingerbread Bakery. And oh, she's got a recipe for gingerbread cookies. It looks easy enough, but I'm not a baker. I will try it at some point. I love that. Oh, I don't have a recipe for gingerbread cookies. So that was in that pocket, and this one is in this little corner pocket. I just love that little gingerbread on the doily, made with love. Oh, this little banner right here, this guy just peeking out there. So cute. And then on this next page, guys, oh, she sent me a Michael's gift card. Oh my gosh, Millie, really, you really just went over the top. You really did not have to send that. I do appreciate it though. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Let's see if there's anything under there. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So this is a little tuck spot. Oh my gosh, Millie, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Oh my goodness, thank you. So that goes in there. And then this little pocket right here has a couple more cut aparts. I just love the vintagey look. I love that. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love that train. The gingerbread is really adorable as well. Oh my gosh, I just love this one. How pretty. And then this one is fussy cut, and she put this one on the background and this one on the front with the little pocket. Oh my gosh, it is all beautiful. Millie, again, thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. I really do. This is something you did not have to do because I wasn't expecting it. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Millie. All right, guys, I just thought I'd come on here really quickly and share what Millie has sent me in a just a rack. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget the thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.